The Tech Fixr will show you how to download and install custom fonts in Windows 10. If you're a graphics designer or a video editor, you must need different types of font according to your project requirements. So now let's see how you can download and install custom fonts in your computer. So first of all, open your browser and search for free font, and then here you will get lots of website providing free fonts. So right now I'll download fonts from Google Fonts. So I'm opening the Google Fonts website, and here you can scroll down to get lots of free fonts here, or you can search for a specific font using this search box. All you have to do is just search for type the name and search for the specific font. Then all you have to do is just click on the font, click on download family, and the font will be download. Once the font downloaded, we need to extract the file. So here's the font I just downloaded. I'm going to right clicking on it and clicking on extract files. Okay. Once the file extracted, open the file, and it's time to install the custom fonts in our computer. So now to install the font, open the font that you want to install by double clicking. Once it's opened, now click on install, and the font has been successfully installed. And the second method to install any custom font is right click on the font and click on install for all users. And the font will be installed on your computer. And the third method to install any font is right click on your desktop and click on personalize, select fonts. All you have to do is just drag the font here, and the font will be installed in your computer. So this is how we can download and install custom fonts in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.